To make QuickBooks font bigger, follow these steps. First, open QuickBooks on your computer and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the Desktop View option on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the Company Preferences tab. Then look for the section that says Font Size. In this section, you will see a drop-down menu that allows you to select the font size you want to use. Choose the size you prefer, or if you want to make the font even bigger, you can select the custom option and enter your own font size. Alternatively, you can also use the Windows display settings to make the font bigger. To do this, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Then click on System and then Display. In the Display Settings window, you will see a drop-down menu that says Change the size of text, apps, and other items. Select the size you want to use, and then click on Apply. It is also important to note that making the font bigger in QuickBooks may affect the layout of the screen, so you may need to adjust the layout to fit the new font size. You can do this by clicking on the View menu and selecting the Reset View option. This will reset the layout to the default settings, and you can then adjust it as needed. In addition, if you are using a laptop or a computer with a high-resolution screen, you may need to adjust the display settings to make the font bigger. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. Then clicking on System and then Display. In the Display Settings window, look for the section that says Scale and Layout, and select the size you want to use. By following these steps, you can easily make the font bigger in QuickBooks and improve your overall user experience. It is also a good idea to experiment with different font sizes to find the one that works best for you. Remember to save your changes and restart QuickBooks to ensure that the new font size is applied.